In this video, I'll show you how you can wear multiple hairs in Roblox. Now what you want to do is head over to Google and search for BT Roblox and open up the Chrome Web Store. In here you're gonna add this Chrome extension, and don't worry, it has 4 million users and it has a good rating and it's completely safe. After you added it, you want to reload your Roblox and you should see some extra text over here, and that means that it's currently installed. Now after that you want to press on avatar, go to your hairs somewhere in here, head and body, hair, and then simply select the ones that you want to wear. Now as you can see, currently I'm wearing 3 different ones. Now I'm wearing 4 different ones, and this only works if you have BT Roblox installed. Now keep in mind, only you and other people who has the application installed will see this. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.